Now we need to solve the multiple choice questions, MCQ questions, based on the concept of the integers. How they will give? Maybe they will give like this. Now we will try to find out the answers, okay, and we will get a clear explanation why positive only come, why negative, why not it will come both, or why will not come none. So we clearly observe by understanding the question and solving the answer. See, temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. In order to find an answer to this question, here given 4 options: positive, negative, both, and none. See, by observing here, for solving such a MCQ problem, you need to understand. We know this concept. What is this one? Here is number line by 0, okay, 0 degrees Celsius, below minus 10 degrees Celsius, 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Here plus 20 degrees Celsius plus 20 degree, plus 10 degrees Celsius plus 20 degrees Celsius. Observe here, in this number temperature above 0 degrees Celsius. Here the number line is representing about the temperature in degrees Celsius, okay, temperature in degrees Celsius. So the temperature in degrees Celsius, remember one thing, temperature above 0 degrees Celsius means you will get here, okay, you will get here. But there is a small thing, what is that one? Is temperature here is 0 degrees Celsius, above whatever it may be, either it may be 10 degrees Celsius, 20 degrees Celsius, 30 degrees Celsius, those values are positive values, that we need to keep in mind. And one more thing, he may ask one more thing, temperature below 0 degrees Celsius, you will get a negative temperature values, but above you will get the positive temperature values. So observing here, temperature above 0 degree, this is 0 degrees Celsius, okay, this is 0 degree, the temperature value whatever it may be upper, it is in the positive, so the answer will be positive. So answer is A. And observe the second thing, depth below the sea level, See, now I took this one, same I am taking, now I am removing degree Celsius, remove it, now consider it as a level, sea level, okay, consider it as a sea level. The above whatever it may be, above the sea level, the distance above the sea level will be positive. And one more thing, the depth below the sea level will be negative. So what he is asking is depth below the sea level, this is the sea level, and the depth below here is negative, whatever it may be, minus 2, minus 20 meters, minus 20, minus 40 meters, whatever it may be the value depth, and whatever the value may be above 400 meters, okay, whatever it may be. But we need to remember here question, depth below the sea level, depth, this is sea level, depth here below the sea level, here you will get negative values. So the answer will be depth below the sea level, answer A. So we need to keep simply A. Observe the last two questions for two integers, okay, for two integers, minus of A plus B is equal to A into minus B is equal to, I will say C minus of A into B. I will say why I considered like this. Observe here, minus 2 into 4 is equal to answer minus 8, same, and also minus or plus 2 into minus 4 is equal to minus 8. For both answer is same, minus 8, but what we did here is minus of A plus B, A into minus B, minus A into plus 4 plus 2 into minus 4, answer is minus 8, What we did is, in front of A, in place of A take 2, minus 2, in place of B take 4 is equal to A, again A 2 into B minus 4, that is equal to, you can write minus 8. So when it is suitable, only under the condition minus of A plus B. If you do minus of A plus B, you will get the different value, 2 plus 4 you will get 6, okay, 2 minus 4 you will get the minus 2 value, minus if you do a subtraction, 2 minus 4 you will get minus 2, 4 minus 2 you will get 2, but that is a positive value, here negative value, but we need to get the same value numbers. So minus of a divided by, so here observe here minus of a into b, and the answer will be simply C. Observe here product of two negative integers, product of two negative integers. What is the product of he is asking? Product of two negative integers. Already I said one table, that is product of two negative integers, product minus a into two negative integers is equal to product will be plus AB we can write, okay, plus AB. So product by doing two products are minus into minus is equal to plus. What that is what he is asking. Product of two negative integers will be positive. So this is the answer. Product of two negative integers will be, the answer is positive. So this is the way we will solve such a kind of MCQ problems, and I will bring some more. So this is the what for today's session.